DAD, DAD. Okay, dad does not mean father. Okay, dad. So let's expand this. DAD simply means deletion, automation, and delegation. So before we list out all the tasks, first we need to understand what we have to do is we have to identify the task, whatever we do, and we need to think like a CEO. Okay, like think like you are a CEO of your company, and CEO will always question. Okay, this department, HR department, people management department, this department, R&D department, okay, engineer department. A CEO will always think about which department is actually good for the business and which department is not required. Okay, this department is not required, this, let's dissolve this, let's remove this, that, let's delete this department, correct? Same way, what we have to do is we have to do we have to think about what activities which we do and we should delete it. Number one, and now I'm going to give you some examples about what I have done. These are activities which I have deleted. Number one, appointments. Okay, now when you grow in your network marketing business, when you grow, when you have huge team, like I have a huge team, when you grow more on YouTube, like I have good subscribers on YouTube, there are so many people who continuously message me. They continuously message me on Instagram. They want to message me on WhatsApp, and I don't reply much. It is not because I have an attitude. Oh, I have an attitude. I don't want to reply. No. It is not attitude problem. It is a time problem, and it is also the mindset which I have, mind which I've set for myself. That is, let's not waste time here. Okay. So what I do is, whenever anybody wants to talk to me, anybody wants to discuss with me, what I do, okay, I'm giving you also an excellent opportunity. That is, just wait. What I do is, I simply give this link. Okay. Now, if you want to, now this is the first call to action I want to give this in this meeting is, if any one of you, after attending this meeting, okay, if you want to book a free consultation call, here is the link. Okay, here's the link. Go to dnaclub.in/book time. I've given you the link here in the chat box. Go to this link, dnaclub.in/book time, and you can book a free consultation call. Okay, you can book a free consultation call with my team. I'm not going to take this call, but yes, my team. And if you want to discuss about automation, you want to discuss about your network marketing business, you want to get your network marketing business audited, okay, from our experts, then you can go to dnaclub.in/book time. So what I've done is, this appointment booking system, I am using a tool called Calendly for this. Because many times people say, sir, are you available at 11 a.m., 4 p.m., 6 p.m.? Sir, I have a meeting at that time. So it is too much of time consuming thing to understand, just to understand which time suits to both of us. Okay, so what I do, I have deleted this, and what I've done is, all these appointments, I have given this appointment to an appointment booking system, that is Calendly. I've deleted this. Okay. Number two is habits. So I have changed my habits. Instead of unnecessarily watching Netflix and other things, okay, I have improved my habits. Okay, so I have removed some of my bad habits. Like I consume very, very less these days. So I have deleted all my bad habits. Okay, I am now, one of the habit which I want to improve more is junk food. Okay, currently I'm not very good in eating food. Okay, I'm very foodie, so I like having good food. But because of that, if you have met me personally, I have a little tummy as well. Okay, I know that I have to improve my weight. So this is my next action item, that is to improve my weight. But first, you need to identify what are the habits which you need to remove. Delete people. Okay, so there are some people who will always consume your energy. Okay, and I have literally, as I'm more focused on my business now, I have literally not talked to many people whom I used to talk to 2 or 3 years ago. Okay, I have very less friends now. Okay, and fourth is notifications. I've removed all the notifications of Instagram, Facebook. I've removed all the notifications. Even I have unsubscribed many YouTubers. I have unfollowed many people on Instagram. So that is a deletion. What I'm suggesting to all of you is, after this meeting, go to your Instagram, and then just see people whom you are following. Okay, so all the influencers who are just dancing around on Instagram, stop following them. Remove those people. Okay, Yes, energy vampires, absolutely true. Remove those people from Instagram. Unsubscribe all the YouTube channels which are entertainment specific. Okay, so because you need to channelize your energy. Got it? So I have unsubscribed many YouTubers who are not relevant for me. I've removed all the notifications. I've improved my habits, consuming less, and also I've removed the appointments. I don't waste time in doing these one-to-one meetings. Got it? So this is the deletion. Automation. So what I've automated, what I've done is I have identified some repeated activities which I do continuously. So why not I convert this into automation, like leads automation. Now this will be very interesting. We are going to cover this today. Then is nurturing automation. When a new person comes to my ecosystem, how to nurture them? I've already shared with you my Kajabi system. Okay, and what I do is I have a proper email sequence, and also I have a WhatsApp community where we nurture people. Then recruitment automation. Now this is again very interesting. Recruitment. How is it possible? We recruit into auto mode. I just shared with you a screenshot as well. This is possible because we are continuously creating content on YouTube, and then we have a webinar, and in the webinar we are recruiting people at the end of the webinar, and this webinar runs every day at 7 p.m. So tomorrow we are going to cover webinar automation tomorrow. Okay, so next is onboarding automation. When a new member joins a team, then what that person should learn in day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. We have a proper training system. And how many of you, okay, just asking you this question, how many of you want to see the demo of my entire onboarding system? Okay, entire onboarding system. You know, the very first time publicly on YouTube, I'm going to share with you the entire strategy. Okay, I have nothing to hide. You know, one word which I want you to understand why you should subscribe my YouTube channel, why you should follow me. Okay, I have to sell this idea as well, na, that you should stay connected with me. Why you should stay connected with me? The one word is transparency. I want to give you whatever I know, whatever I have. I want to give you being 100% transparent. No any filter of any kind of motivation. So entire onboarding strategy I'm going to share with you step by step. When a new person join, we do this, then this, then this, and this we are going to cover in day number 4. Okay, so stay tuned. Day number 4. Got it? So onboarding automation, when a new member joins a team, duplication and system based, and then it is sales automation. So for this we do YouTube. When I say sales automation, it simply means selling your network marketing products. Okay, so let me share with you very interesting another very interesting case study or screenshot. Let me share this with you. Okay, there is one of my team member who has sold products worth rupees 26,000. Okay, 26,000 rupees product only through YouTube. He created one video, he uploaded one video related to C9, which is a Clean 9 package. Okay, it is a combo pack of some products for weight management, and he has sold the entire package through one YouTube video. He is one of my team member. Okay, so just type wow. So another thing what we need to learn is sales automation through YouTube and through Google My Business. Okay, so Google My Business also we generate customer base. Got it? So so deletion, I have deleted all these things. Automation, I have automated all these things, and you are going to see the demo of everything. And third is delegation. Delegation means something which I cannot delete, something which I am not able to automate. It requires some manual effort. So that's why I have delegated few activities. Number 1 is personal. When I say not business oriented but personal things which I've delegated is cooking. Okay, though I don't know how to cook. And don't you think, how many of you are married here? Just type married. Yes, wow. Just type married if you are married. Okay, so you know most of your energy and time goes, okay, every day you wake up, okay, what do you want to eat in breakfast? What would you like to have in lunch? You're just thinking, okay, lunch, let's have paneer, let's have this. Okay, let's check out the fridge. Okay, vegetables which are there in our stock, and accordingly let's take decision. Let's have this dal and chawal and all those things. Correct? So we think. See, thinking about what to eat takes half an hour or 45 minutes, and cooking actually takes only 30 minutes. So what we have done is we have actually delegated it. So what we have done is I have hired a cook, and what we have done is we have given her this responsibility. You have to tell us what you cook the best, and just cook that. That's it. Don't ask us. Okay. She is a good cook, and finally we have actually delegated this thing. So my wife does not cook, I don't cook, and finally we have a good cook. Okay. The second is cleaning. Obviously we have a person who does all these things. Then for shopping, again I have delegated this thing to my wife, because what I mean, for last I think 1 year I have not gone out of my home even to buy one simple curd or pyaj or aloo. I've not gone out of home just to buy onions and tomatoes and potatoes. Okay, I've not gone out. So what we do is we've installed an app called Blinkit or Zepto. Whatever you want to buy, just click here, buy, and we have linked it with mobile app called Simple. Just one click, place order. We get the order in next 10 minutes at our home. Okay, I know that these apps charge 15 rupees, sometimes 20 rupees, but it is better to pay 20 rupees and save your time and energy, and better to, I mean, like right now, if I'm talking to you, right now, if there is a shortage of milk, there's a shortage of onion, nobody is going to disturb me. My wife has this mobile app installed, Zepto. She goes to Zepto, okay, onion 2 kg, this 1 kg, 2 kg, click, we got the order. Got it? So you have to delegate these things, okay? Small things, but very important things. Fourth is finances. So also you can delegate this to maybe your parents, okay, your father or mother maybe, and you can delegate this to your CA, somebody whom you trust, maybe your spouse. Okay, so this is what I have done it. Okay, delegate it. Got it? Now, in terms of business, what you can delegate, what I have delegated is number one, communication. Communication means, did you know that when I started this training, how many of you got my WhatsApp message? How many of you got my email? This was not done by me. This I have delegated to one of my team member, and that person sends all these notifications. Okay, emails notification, WhatsApp notification, so that I focus only on the trainings. Second is marketing. So I use tool called StreamYard and Ecamm Live, okay, to go live. Like right now I'm live on YouTube, and right now I'm live on multiple YouTube channels. Did you know? I'm live on multiple YouTube channels. I'm live right now on Facebook as well. So I'm putting one effort, but I am distributing this into multiple platforms. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. Then content reuse. So what I do continuously, I mean all the content marketers do. Instagram Reels, I upload to Shorts. Whatever video I'm creating on YouTube, I convert this into audio and upload it into podcast. Okay. By the way, how many of you have listened to my podcast? You can go to dnaclub.in/podcasts. Okay. This is the link, dnaclub.in/podcast, and you can listen to my podcast. Okay. You can install Spotify or Apple Podcast, and you can just search for my name, Tarun Agarwal, and you will find me. Okay. So all these podcast episodes, you can listen to me on these podcast channels. Got it? Then I have another YouTube channel called Best of Tarun Agarwal, and one of my team member, what he does, he downloads some of my long form content, and then he cuts those into 10 minutes and 20 minutes videos, and then he upload on the Best of Tarun Agarwal. That is a different YouTube channel. Then best 3 or 5 short 3-5 minutes videos he upload into multiple YouTube channels. So this way we are reusing the content. Okay, and I have delegated this effort to somebody else. Then community. I have a community called DNA Club and TLF Creators, and both these communities have been handled by some leaders. Okay, so I've delegated this, all my team meetings. Okay, all these team meetings which I do for my team, which happen every day. There is one host of the day, and he or she manages the entire training. Okay, so community is managed by somebody else, team meetings are managed by somebody else, and all the meetings, all the one-to-one appointments meetings have been handled by my team member called Vikram Khandelwal. How many of you know him? Vikram, are you here? Just type I am here. Okay, so these are the things which I have delegated in my business, and these are the things which I have delegated in my personal life. Clear? So if you have such kind of clarity, only if you have such kind of clarity, like what are the things which you need to delete, what are the things which we need to automate, and what are the things which we need to delegate to somebody else, you will have utmost clarity.